Show that the diagonals of a parallelogram divide it into four triangles of equal areas. Exercise 9.3, question number 3. Show that the diagonals of parallelogram divide it into four triangles of equal areas. This is a parallelogram here, and you have to prove that the diagonals here, these two diagonals, divide this parallelogram ABCD into four triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, four triangles of equal areas. All are having equal areas. Okay, write down. As we know, as we know, the diagonals of parallelogram, as we know, diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other at O. This diagonal, both of them, they bisect each other at O. Therefore, OA is equal to OC is equal to OC, and OB is equal to OC. Right? Therefore, triangle AB, triangle ABD, therefore in triangle ABD, you see, simple point, AO is the median. AO is the median. And if AO is the median, then you have that median divides triangle into two parts of equal areas. Therefore, area of triangle AOD is equal to area of triangle BAAOD is equal to AOB is equal to area of AOB. Reason you can write, median divides triangle into two triangles of equal areas. Two triangles of equal areas. Okay, median divides the triangle into two triangles of equal areas. So this area and this area will be equal. The median, this is the median. These two are equal. So the bases are equal, and so the altitudes are also equal because they're meeting here. So if you draw the altitude, that will be the altitude for this triangle also as well as for this triangle also. So both the triangles are having same equal bases, and they are having what? Same altitude. So their areas are also equal. Got it? So area of this triangle is equal to area of this triangle. First triangle and second triangle, both their areas are equal. Got it? Now you see similarly here, write down in triangle ABC, O is the midpoint of O is the midpoint of O is the midpoint of AC. O is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, OB is the median. OB is the median. OB is this. This is the median. Therefore, area of triangle AOB is equal to area of triangle COD, है ना? COD, है ना? Same reason you can write here. The same reason here. The next again you see in triangle PCD, है ना? in triangle BCD. Again you have O is the midpoint, so you see OB is equal to OD. Therefore OC is the median. OC is the median. This is the median. Therefore area of triangle BOC is equal to area of triangle DOC. The reason you can write the same reason here also, that the median of a triangle divides into two triangles of equal areas. Therefore you conclude that, therefore you see this one, this relation here, first relation, second relation, and the third relation. So from, therefore from 1, 2 and 3, from 1, 2 and 3, from 1, 2 and 3, we get, what do you get here? Area of triangle AOB is equal to area of triangle AOB is equal to area of triangle. No? From this relation you see you have here area of triangle AOD is equal to AOB is equal to AOB is equal to, from next relation AOB is equal to COD, and next relation, last relation you have here, that COD BOC is equal to BOC. The area of triangle DOC is equal to area of triangle BOC. So you get here the area of triangle AOD is equal to AOB is equal to, so area of triangle AOB is equal to area of triangle BOC is equal to area of triangle COD. AOB is equal to BOC is equal to COD is equal to AOD. AOD. All four are equal, hence the medians of the diagonals of a parallelogram divides the parallelogram into four triangles of equal areas. Hence the diagonals of the parallelogram divides the parallelogram into four triangles of equal areas. Okay? Yeah. Do it fast. See this next question after this. Question number 5 now. D, E, F are respectively the midpoints of the sides BC, CA, and AB of triangle ABC. Then show that BDEF is a parallelogram, and area of the triangle DEF is equal to 1/4 area of triangle ABC, and area of BDEF is equal to half area of ABC. So here you see you have to prove three things in this question, but it says DEF are respectively the midpoints of sides BC, CA, and AB of triangle ABC. So first of all you draw a triangle ABC. This is the triangle here ABC. You can see this triangle. Then it says D, E, F are respectively the midpoints of BC. The BC midpoint is D, nah? And CA midpoint is E. CA midpoint is E, and AB midpoint is F. AB midpoint is F. So here it says first part BDEF is a parallelogram. B is this, D is this, E is this, F is this. So if you join them, you say you have to show that first thing, that this is a parallelogram. Okay, first part. So let's see the first part here. What do you get here? This is the midpoint here. This is the midpoint here. E and F, these are the midpoints. So EF is parallel to BC. EF is parallel to BC. So write down here. Write down here in this question. Point number one, if is the midpoint of AB, F is the midpoint of AB, F is the midpoint of AB, and E is the midpoint of AC. F is the midpoint of AB, and E is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, EF is parallel to, therefore EF is parallel to BC, EF is parallel to BC, and EF is equal to BC by 2. EF is parallel to BC and EF is equal to BC by 2. EF is parallel to BC and EF is equal to BC by 2. Reason, reason, line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle, line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is always parallel to the third side and half of it. Is always parallel to the third side and half of it. You can write the midpoint theorem statement. This is also called as midpoint theorem. Okay. Next, write down E is the midpoint of AC and D is the midpoint of BC. E is the midpoint of AC and D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, DE is parallel to AB and DE is equal to half of it. Therefore, DE is parallel to AB and DE is half of AB. Next line. Since opposite sides of the quadrilateral, since opposite sides of the quadrilateral BD, BDEF are parallel, since opposite sides of the parallelogram BDEF are parallel, therefore BDEF is a parallelogram. Therefore, BDEF is a parallelogram. Second part of the question is area DEF is equal to, area DEF is equal to, area DEF is equal to 1 upon 4 area of parallelogram, area of triangle ABC. Next point is you have to prove here area DEF is equal to 1/4 the area of the parallel area of this DEF. You join here, you join this here. Now you have to prove this area is equal to 1/4 the area of this triangle. Okay. So write down point number one. Area AFE, area AFE is equal to area DEF. Area AFE is equal to area DEF. Reason you can write. Reason you can write. Reason is the diagonal of parallelogram. The diagonal of parallelogram divides into two triangles of equal areas. The diagonal of parallelogram divides it into two triangles of equal areas. The diagonal of parallelogram divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Okay. So you see DEF is equal to AEF. Both of them, their areas are equal. Again you write. Next. DEF is equal to, DEF is equal to area DEF is equal to area DCE. DEF is equal to area DCE. Reason the same. The diagonal of a parallelogram, because it becomes a parallelogram, you see. Opposite sides are parallel, so it becomes a parallelogram. The reason you can write diagonal of a parallelogram divides into two triangles of equal areas. The diagonal of parallelogram divides into two triangles of equal areas. Similarly, BDEF is a parallelogram. BDEF is a parallelogram, and area BDF is equal to area BDF is equal to area EDF. Reason: the diagonal of a parallelogram divides into two triangles of equal areas. The diagonal of a parallelogram divides into two triangles of equal areas. The diagonal of a parallelogram divides into two triangles of equal areas. Okay. Next, write down. Combining all the three, combining all the three, combining all the three, we get area of triangle DEF is equal to area of triangle DEF is equal to area of triangle DEF is equal to area of triangle AEF is equal to area of triangle DCE is equal to area of triangle BDF. Therefore, area of triangle DEF is equal to 1/4 area of triangle. Therefore, area of triangle DEF is 1/4 area of triangle ABC. क्या कर उसमें पट्टा बनेगा लास्ट वाले हाँ पट्टा बना दो पट्टा सिंपल है हाँ ओके बनाओ पट्टा बनाओ सिंपल सा डिजाइन बना दो बीच में बस पीछे वाले में इसमें बड़ा बड़ा बनाना पीछे वाले जिसमें बड़ा बनाना हां पट्टा बना दो 8 इंच पट्टा बना दो चलो आसानी बन जा रहा कोई दिक्कत तो है Okay, done. I see here in this triangle ABC, you can see in this triangle ABC, E and F are the midpoints, right? E and F are the midpoints of sides AB and AC. Therefore, EF is parallel to BC, and D and E are also the midpoints of the sides AC and BC. So this is DE. DE is parallel to AB. So on combining both of them, you get what? That D is parallel to opposite sides are parallel, right? Opposite sides are parallel. Therefore, You see BDEF is a parallelogram. So this is the first part that you have proved here. Again, the question says that you have to prove that the area of this triangle DEF is equal to 1/4 the area of the triangle ABC. So here DEF is there. So area, you know that in a parallelogram the diagonals divide into two parts of equal areas. So you see DF is the diagonal of the parallelogram. So the area of this BDF is equal to area EDF. Similarly, you see that E and F are the midpoints here. So you see that this is also EFDC is also a parallelogram, right? So this is the diagonal here. DE is the diagonal, so it will divide into two triangles of equal areas. So you see that area of this EFD is equal to ECD. So this middle triangle is area is also equal to the next here this side triangle. Similarly, the upper part also you see that's a parallelogram. So you see DF is parallel to AE and D is parallel to AF. So it is also a parallelogram. So here you see FE, this is the diagonal. Diagonal divides the parallelogram into two triangles of equal areas. So area of this DFE is equal to area of AFE, and so both of them are equal in areas. So DFE is equal to the first triangle, second triangle, third triangle. So it is equal to all the four triangles. Therefore, now you see ABD is equal to the first triangle plus second triangle plus third triangle plus fourth triangle. Four triangles are there, all are equal in areas. So that is equal to 4 times DEF. Therefore, DEF is equal to 1/4 the area of triangle ABC. Okay. Any doubts you have, you can ask. Next part is there, one more part is there in this question, the last one. It says area BDEF is equal to half area of this triangle. So area you see BDEF is equal to what? Two triangles are there, both are equal areas. So first one and second one, both their areas are equal. So here you see when both the areas are equal, so that is equal to the area of the half the area of the triangle ABC. So BDE, BDF, and DEF, these two triangles, their area is equal to 1/4 plus 1/4, because you have it proved that its equally value is equal to 1/4 the area of triangle ABC. So first triangle and second triangle, both their areas is equal to half 1/4 area of ABC plus 1/4 area ABC, that is equal to 2/4 area ABC, that is equal to 1/2 area ABC. Okay.